Turn back the hands of time with antique Chevrolet parts. Since 1971, we've been sourcing parts from around the world to help you restore and maintain antique Chevs. Nose to tail fins, we have your parts. Call us toll free at 1-866-767-2787. Get help from a real person or go to antiquechev.com. Download a catalog, order online, delivered to your front door. Antique Chev, helping you turn back the hands of time.
Hey friends, I'm Rick Walker. Welcome back to the SST Car Show. Time to go car shopping as we search for an elusive Dodge Stealth. On my way to look at a 1992 Dodge Stealth. So it's about a 1-hour drive to go see this car out in the country. The good thing about it though is when I was looking at the pictures online, I could see that it's a car guy who owns this, because in the background of one of the images, I could see that there's a Mustang. So I'm pretty sure this guy has several cars. He's a car guy, so I don't think the thing is going to be junk. So this is the ad that we found online. Just stumbled upon this ad. In the pictures, the car looks pretty clean, but pictures can be deceiving. Hot fun in the summertime, says the ad. Owner bought it about a year ago, so he hasn't had it very long. This version has no turbo. He says, no turbo to give you grief, but still goes like stink. This is the non-turbo version, so it produces about 220 horsepower. Gets about 17 mpg in the city, 22 mpg highway. You never know. Certainly worth a look though, so let's go check it out. The Dodge Stealth was a competitor to the Nissan 300ZX, and sports cars like that back in the day. So back in '92, they were a pretty hot ride. There she is. 92 Dodge Stealth Red. You could get the Stealth in either all-wheel drive or front-wheel drive. They were priced starting at about $30,000 US. Back in the day, there were very few cars out there that provided as much value. If you picked the turbocharged 3-liter version, you got up to 320 horsepower. 5-speed, manual transmission, aftermarket stereo. All the gauges seem to work, but the check engine light is on. So we're gonna have to check that out and see what the deal is. Steering wheel controls, horn works. Seats are a little rough. Probably have to replace those. So this is a pretty cool car. It's pretty solid underneath. It is a car that we could work with and bring back to life. There is a little bit of rust, but it's not major. It's a lot of surface rust underneath. Nothing structural, no problems that way. No turbocharger on this one, which is a double-edged sword that makes the car not worth as much money, but also you don't have the problems with the turbo. Being a 92, chances of finding one with good turbos on it, slim to none really, so you'd have to rebuild. Do like the car, but it has some issues. Power steering, I can tell, is gonna need a new pump. I can smell fuel, it's leaking fuel somewhere. So this is really a project car. Got to decide if it's worth buying. I don't know if the price is gonna be right. We may be too far apart. The lines on these cars were gorgeous. They were just beautiful, beautiful cars to look at. And today they still turn heads. The Stealth, the Mitsubishi 3000 GT, they were really ahead of their time in terms of styling. These are hard to find in solid condition. I'm gonna go home, think it over, might make him an offer, but I have a feeling we're going to be a little bit too far apart on the price. Nevertheless, that 92 Dodge Stealth, it was a fun ride today. It was certainly worth the trip to go and see it, and it brought back some great memories for me. Loved those cars, still love them, would love to have it, but only for the right price. If we do buy it, I will let you know.